Namaste and welcome to Yoga for Erectile Dysfunction series. Today we are day 5. Let's start today's session by going into cat Vajrayasana. Balance yourselves, check your hands shoulder width apart, knees hip width apart, and inhale. Extend your right arm, left leg back. Exhale, bring your knee and elbow together. Inhale out. Exhale, this time left knee, left elbow, and right hand back. Inhale out. Exhale, elbow and knee together. And release. Chain the hand and leg. Left arm, right leg. Exhale, left elbow and knee together. Inhale out. Exhale, bring your right knee to the right elbow, left hand back. Inhale, open. Exhale, right leg, left elbow. Inhale. And right leg to the right arm and left arm back. And release. Then inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Back to the center and go into plank. Hold the plank for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go into elbow plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now back to upper plank and elbow plank. Upper plank, elbow plank. Upper plank, elbow plank. Upper plank, elbow plank. Upper plank, elbow plank. Upper plank and elbow plank. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Kneel your knee down and rest for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, bring your elbows on the ground and go to the side plank. Arm out for about 10 seconds or longer. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change the side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come down and rest again. And sit onto your sitting bones. Bring the hands by the side, lean slightly backward, chest out, and then lift your legs up. Breathe. Hold 5 seconds. Come down. So 5 seconds, then 10 seconds, then either 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Once again, this time 10 seconds. Good. Rest. And this time 10 or 15 seconds. Lean back, inhale, and lift up. Keep your breathing normal. Come back and lie down. Let go for about 5 seconds. Then palm flat on the ground by the side of your body. Take your chin. Use your hand, push with your hands to lift your both legs up. And very slowly down. Inhale up without touching the ground. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now bend your knees and do cycling. Other round. That's good. Then feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward to ceiling, and let go. Today's practice is completed.